Hey, do you want to learn how to create projects in Gemini like ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So if you go over to ChatGPT, you're going to find you have this projects option right here, and you can create them and you can move your chats or conversations under it. And there is a similar process now for this on Gemini as well, called notebooks. So you can create a new notebook from here and you can organize your ideas, your chats inside it. So I can say test right here and then create it. After that, I can just move my conversations over here. So just like press on these three dots and then add to notebook. And you're going to find all your notebooks right here. You can just think of this as projects. So let's say I want to move it to test project or notebook. I can do that. I can just move it over here, just move to another project, move back here, and you'll see your past chats right here. You can go inside it. You can also remove it from notebook, move it to another notebook, or delete it. Just go inside and you're going to find everything that you have done in that chat. It's going to open up. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create projects in Google Gemini like ChatGPT. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google Gemini related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.